Okay, this is the tour of the 2001 Chaparral 200 SSE, which means it's a 20-foot, 1 inch actually. So the voltage meter works, fuel gauge works, the speedo works. We're not going fast enough right now. Besides that, there is a speed gauge on the depth finder. I don't know, the sun's glaring. The trim does work up and down. So the boat runs best at about 25%. The oil pressure works. Oil pressure, temp gauge. This is a inboard depth finder warning, but I never use it. This plug works too. When I bought it, it didn't work, just needed a fuse. Blower works, horn works, bilge pump works, and navigation light all work. Brand new key. I did a video of that. So brand new ignition. 4 brand new speakers. I mounted those. The seats have sit bolsters, so they kind of go like that. So if you want to sit low or sit high. Brand new Kenwood deck from Best Buy. Bluetooth, no CD. Well, actually, there is a CD player in this one. I forgot. They had the option of not getting it. This is a cooler. I keep all my dry stuff in there. Storage under both compartments. LED lights on both sides. The blue, I'll have a picture of that. What else here? Motor runs great. Brand new battery last year. We're on the water now. That's the Bimini top. What else? Ski compartment storage. I keep bumpers down there. It's the SSE. What else? I'm trying to think of anything else. I did put, this is an anchor storage up here. I put a new latch on here. Let's see here. It starts up right away every single time. So you always want to do your blower. Starts up every single time. Goes into gear every single time. That's that. I put new seafoam on the back. Okay, as you can see, the boat idles perfectly, always. I never have to use choke to start it. Never have to choke it. Let's see if we can see this now under the shade here. There we go. So it's got the sonar, the depth reading, and the lake map. You can switch it to anything. So I'm gonna go to chart. Now it's just a lake. I'm on Lake Minnetonka. Always out here. To continue the outside of the tour of the boat, I have brand new wheels on here. You can buy these, it's the heavy load D-rated tires, brand new both sides. I keep the boat polished. It's got little water spots on it right now, but the other side's a little dirtier. So basically, it's a pretty clean looking boat. There's one of the snap covers. The other snap cover goes over the top, obviously. The only thing wrong with this boat is a branch fell on this piece right here and kind of pushed that down. So this is like literally the only thing wrong with this boat. Otherwise, it's got a pretty nice trailer, very common shorelander, and I keep it polished up pretty nice. Chaparrals are some of the best lake boats you can get. And I put the sea foam on here, which I mentioned. This was $95 for this piece. This piece was $95. I had to cut it to fit it. You know, skeg, perfect condition. Propeller, perfect condition. Trim tabs stay up. This side I didn't get to wipe down yet, but it just wipes off because I polish it so nicely. Spare tire, I bought the spare tire bracket. So this is basically one of the older tires that I took off, which wasn't bad. This is the original tires. Look how much little use are in these tires. The boat's only got 160 hours, less than 160 hours on it. So that's how much it got pulled. And my grandpa lived right next to the launch when he had the boat. So the first 100 hours on this boat, hardly moved. Lifetime license on the trailer. So that's basically it. That is the 2001 Chaparral. Here's like one other tiny little nick. This is from a hook, what do you call it? A strap, where I thought I had it right here. I was strapping down a tube, and this happened like on the 4th of July weekend. Not a big deal though. I mean, that's just minor stuff. The rest of the boat is literally, I polished it, make it look perfect. New shift cable in the back. I put a new 4-blade prop on there just for fun. Spins perfectly. New gimbal bearing. I mean, as far as, it's really clean. Oh, dang it, there's a weed. I used the boat yesterday, put about 2.5 hours on it. Rollers are all in like really good condition. Like I said, this thing just sat for years. So that's pretty much it. That is the boat.